Hello and welcome to the EP Template Studio month view component walkthrough. Today I'm going to walk you through on how you might embed a month view inside of your template. Right now I'm creating a template for the Remarkable Paper Pro, but I could also create a template for various supported tablets here. So let's go back to the Remarkable Paper Pro, and notice up here you have an option to actually create a template for a right-handed person, which will take a space for the Remarkable menu on the left-hand side, or for a right-handed person, which will add the space to the right-hand side. Or if you want to create it for a full, it just creates the template for the full available area on your tablet. So let's go back to the right-hand view since I am right-handed. And let's get started. So notice on the left you see this expand button. And what this does, if I click on it, it's going to showcase the element tree view, which shows all of the elements you have on screen. Now you only see a box right now because you're looking at the table, and the table has various embedded elements inside of it when you add one here. So let's go ahead and delete this, and I'll add one from scratch. If I hit add table, and now a table, like I said, is the highest element within a section. So you can have multiple tables here, and as I add them, it's just going to stack them down. So let's just stick with one, and I'm going to expand it so that we can see the element as we add it. So I'm going to expand it here, and then I'm going to expand out the children here. Notice the column is just a vertical view. And inside of a column you have rows, which basically can be multiple and they just stack on top of each other. I can also add multiple columns here too, which stack it from left to right. But let's actually stick with one column and then one row, okay? So I'm going to embed a component. Now, a component is a way for you to add various tool sets inside of a row. Right now we have these listed. We have a paragraph, we have an image component, QR code, a list view, and a time view, and a month view, which we're focusing on in this video today. So I'm going to go ahead and select the month view. It logged me out because I've been in here long enough, but I'm going to log back in here so you can actually see from this point. So notice that when you log out, okay, this is a good view, okay? So you want to make sure that you save your template. So I'm going to go back in here, and then I'm going to start from scratch, and then I'm going to go and expand this out, and I'm going to go back in here, and I'm going to find a component, and I'm going to go through the month view. Don't do like me and don't say and not save your progress, okay? So that was a good showcase here of what could happen. So I'm going to go ahead and save this so that doesn't happen to me again. And then I'm going to hide this, and now we're in the month view. Okay? And you notice I'm keeping this live so you can see what could happen. I'm not going to be editing these videos, so you can be prepared. You're actually seeing me use this on the fly. I'm not editing anything. I'm speaking. This is live. I don't care about to sound perfect. I want it to be as natural as possible with all the ums and everything else, okay? So look at here. We see now I'm starting to say more than I normally do because I just said that. Anyway, so we see the month view. And what we can do is let's make this larger. Let's scale it up, okay? So you can scale it up. I'm going to align this to the center. So as it scales from the center out, okay? Right now we're looking at October, okay? But what we can do is scroll through the months throughout the year. So if I scroll this bar, it's going to scroll all of the months that I want to have. But I can select a specific month. Remember, a template is just a one page inside of your notebook. It's not a multiple page planner. A lot of people get the terminology different. A template is just the background of one page, and a multi-page planner is a PDF document that has pages. You can't actually alter those on your Remarkable, but we're focusing on templates today, which is a 1-page. And the reason why I'm saying this is because when you create these templates, consider it like a one sheet out of your planner. Okay, so right now I'm focusing on one day, but I'm showing a month. Okay, a month view. So this is helpful if you're creating a to-do list and you're in the month of March. Right now we have March selected, but let's go ahead and select this month. Okay, so what are we in? October. Okay, we're in October. Okay, and there's various options you can do. I can hide the header if I just want the days here. I can start from Monday or Sunday. If I toggle these on and off, it's just going to change that. Some people, definitely internationally, they don't always have Monday as the start of the week. Most times it's Sunday as the start of the week. I can also mark the current date. Since we're in October, it's going to say that when I did this video it was on the 11th, so the 11th is marked here. But let's go the next month. Notice that the box is gone. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put the header back on, and I'm going to turn off the mark current day, because most times you're not going to want to have the date marked unless you're making a specific template for that date. You're not going to show that. Another thing you can do is you can change the foreground of the calendar, the month. Right now, if you drag this, it's only going to stay black and white. Okay, it's going to keep it in grayscale. But if I select this, I can actually change the color of the calendar. Okay, and that can be whatever you want, right? But since I normally stick to black and white, I always just drag this back and forth, because I actually think using your tablet in black and white is more traditional anyway. Color should be used for highlights when you're creating templates, not really to make it too cluttered. Why are you going to use color? Just for, I guess I'm more like left-brained, I think black and white is good, just like on paper. And too much color can make things overkill, I guess, in a lot of times. Okay, so notice that like on the other videos, we have the padding. You can add padding to the top, you can add padding to the right, and you can bottom, left, and then you can lock this, and then you're adding padding around everything. It's not going to change anything, because this will always kind of stick in the middle, and it's not really confined to this box. So if I go down, I go up, notice that if I just want to, let's just say I want to just show those, I could do that here. Okay, it's just going to clip it off. Okay, but go back in, and then I'm going to scale it down so you can see the entire view. Another thing you could do, if you wanted to, you could duplicate this, right? And then you have multiple months here, like that. Okay, you can keep it the same size as the other one. You don't have to use a scroll, you could actually just type that in. But this is a percentage icon, so whenever you see this, it's based on a percentage of the available width of the container that you're actually resizing this in. I want to change this to next month. Just say I want to have a 2-month view or something like that. I can do it like that. Okay. I can also, when I drag this, I can scale this up, and all of the elements kind of move around in there proportionately. And then if I'm on a smaller view screen, I can actually scale this down so I can see what I'm playing with. I'm going to turn it on preview mode, so when I hover out of the canvas area, you can see what it might look like. And since I had it selected, it's going to stay selected even though I hover out of here. But if I click it, then you can kind of see what it will look like on your markable tablet. And if I turn this on, you can see how it lines up with the menu. Okay. But this is pretty much it for the month view. It's really helpful if you're creating a day planner template and you want to have possibly the month here, and you want to have a time view going down here, and maybe you want to have a line, grid, or whatever you want to do. The sky's the limit. It's up to your creativity to make your template the way you want it. All right, and we're going to be adding more videos. Feel free to subscribe below here as we're creating new features for this product. It is a new product, new app. So you may find bugs here and there, but let us know. We've included a comment box. So if you have a suggestion or if you find a bug, you can actually submit it. And our developers are watching this constantly, and we're evaluating what we add in for new features. But obviously, if it's a bug, we're on it all the time. So 9 times out of 10, if you notice something happening on the screen, we know about it as well, and we're working on a fix. So stick with us, support us. Don't cancel your membership, because obviously having the support of our community allows us to add more features and grow this product. And if we don't have the support, then we may have to, obviously it's like any business. We want to continue this product. We feel it's important, and we need everyone's help. Thank you so much for being a part of our community and watching our videos. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe below. And we are giving away a Remarkable Pro. Navigate our support, our channel. You'll see the video that I created about that. If you reply with your name, we're trying to get enough subscribers here to see if that is even something we want to do. But we definitely want to do that once we get enough subscribers. We were saying that we want to give back to the community. We're going to be, hopefully, if we get enough subscribers, we're going to be doing that once a month. That's the whole plan. We want to give away Remarkable planners. We want to give away, it may not even be a Remarkable planner. It could be a Supernote tablet. It could be a Books tablet. So we want to take care of our customers and our community just like you take care of us. Thank you so much for watching our videos and subscribing. Have a wonderful day.